So Samsung has officially lost their minds. They've got a sales event going on right now with their new 8K Neo QLED TVs. 8K, right? Like, who needs an 8K TV? There's like not even really any content out there for an 8K TV. It's all upscale stuff, at least as far as I know. But what they're doing is they're giving away an S22 phone if you buy one of these new 8K Neo QLED TVs. They've actually got some sales on them right now, and if you feel like you need to buy a $3,000 TV and get an S22, I've got links in the description. Please click on those. That would greatly support the channel, but that's not what the purpose of this video is. It's just interesting to me. S22 sales, not so great. They started off great, and I made a prediction about that especially with the S22 Ultra, pent-up demand for the phones for those who didn't get a Note upgrade because the Note's gone. I figured that was going to be big. First quarter sales looked great, and then we've got all the economic issues going on, and then all the global events going on, and then it's like, here, buy a $799 phone. And oh, also, by the way, we've got this new $3,000 TV. And also, I've got some oceanfront property in Arizona that I'll sell you. Anyway, I don't like to get too much in the weeds on this. There's always somebody who wants a new phone, wants a new TV, despite what's going on in the world and how things are going. Some people, hey, that's great. If you want to buy a new TV, go for it. I love TVs. I buy a new one probably every couple of years. So taking a look at these TVs, they're actually on sale right now. They're on a big sale. Depending on which model, you can save up to $2,500. And there's three 900 series Neo QLED TVs and one 800 series. The links in the drop down, you can click on those if you want to see the specific ones. But let me read this off. It's the QN800A, which is normally $64.99. It's on sale for $39.99. That's a pretty good deal. And then the QN900A, normally $49.99, on sale for $29.99. And then the QN800B, normally $39.99, on sale for $32.99. And then the QN900B, normally $49.99, and it's only $200 off at $47.99. But if you buy one of those four TVs, you get the savings on the TV and you get the free S22 phone. And again, I find this really peculiar because, again, I think they were having a serious problem selling the S22. And also, who's going to go out and buy a $4,000 or $5,000, $6,000 TV right now, right? So, of course, look, it's the latest and greatest out there. Neo QLED, 8K, all that cool stuff. Again, I don't know what content there is that you can watch other than the upscaling, which I've seen some of these TVs. If you go into Best Buy, you see the displays. They do all the cool upscaling. They look beautiful, and they're much thinner than TVs used to be, and they're huge. You can get a 65-inch, you can get an 85-inch, and also you get the cool Samsung Smart Things, the interaction with the TV. And it's cool to have a Samsung TV and a Samsung phone because they work together. So that's also a neat feature. And it's also cool if you want to use DeX. You know, you can use DeX on your Samsung device and use it with your QLED TV. Have this gigantic monitor and have basically the computer in the palm of your hands. So, interesting thing, I just saw it and I was like, wow, this is crazy that they're giving you their flagship $799. Of course, it's lower in flagship. It's not their S22 Ultra. I wish it was the S22 Ultra. I love the S22 Ultra, and with the S Pen and with the big screen, you got all the cameras on the back, you get the big battery. There's a lot to love about the S22 Ultra, and if they were throwing that in, that would probably incentivize more people, because then you're like, okay, I get the best and brightest phone to go with this best and brightest TV that they have. But either way, I saw it, and that's not something you see every day. You don't see an advertisement where, okay, here, buy our TV and we'll give you our $800 phone with it. I remember a long time ago, back when LG was selling the G6, they were actually giving away, I think it was a 42-inch 1080p TV back then, which several years ago, that was a really good deal. If you bought the LG G6, you got the TV. Now, this is kind of in reverse. If you buy the crazy expensive TV, we'll go ahead and throw in the phone for free. So just an interesting thing. If you were already on the fence and looking to buy one, this could be a great deal. You could give it to your significant other, maybe give it to a kid if you're not looking for the phone. You could even turn around and sell it and make some money back and offset the price of the TV. It's also a good way to do things. Of course, the Samsung resale value, not quite as good when it comes to the phones, especially now that it's been out since, January, February timeframe. But anyway, I just thought it was interesting enough to share. I think it's crazy that Samsung is doing this. Again, if you're interested, I've got links down in the description. You can click on those and buy them that way. It helps support the channel. But I have a feeling not a lot of people watching this video are going to be buying one of these phones or buying one of these TVs to get one of these phones. It was just interesting to me. So a little news topic article for the day, free phone with the crazy, crazy expensive TV. Who'd have thought? Anyway, that's all I got. If you have any questions or comments about it, I'll entertain those. Go to the comment section. We can talk about it. We can talk about how crazy this is. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and the subscribe button and the little notification bell if you want updates when new videos come out. And as always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching. And I'll see you guys next time.